I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
What's up, Daddy?
What's up, Steven? How we doing tonight, everybody?
Oh man. What a day, what a day, what a day. Oh my God. Gold, they almost carried everybody out when they went up to 44.09. Then they get absolutely kabooshed. And then you had the index futures on the highs. We got really good buys around the 1020 time period. And then they pushed up. They started pulling in. And then all of a sudden they traded down to that oversold condition. I'm going to show people's divergences like they've never seen before. And I'm telling you, and then when gold reversed to sell, all you had to do was just short every rally. How'd you do today?
I'm not doing too bad. I am down 300 on one account, but it's not too bad. Could be worse. Could be a lot worse.
Okay. Anyway, so let me just show you this one pattern here earlier today. So you guys got to pay attention to this. First of all, I don't know if you can see my screen or not. You get that short on the gold?
Yes.
Good job. Okay. That's perfect. See how it penciled down? Yeah. You short up into that. Okay. Good job. Okay. So here, I want to show you guys something here. So first of all, there's so much to go over here, okay? So much to go over. When we were pushing up here today, we were really overextended from the 10-bar weighted moving average. So I said, let's look for a pullback. When I was on the MyFundedFutures TV show, I said, hey, Zill, how are you, everybody? Serious Bread and ICT, Clutch, CT Clutch. What's up, everybody? BNG. All right. So here goes the gold. All right. I would short this gold here. 50, I'd go like 55, 80, 56 and a half up to 1.5 range. Look for the short here. So now you got this big push down here, right, Denny, on the block? You see this? Mm-hmm. Okay. But you tell me right here on this low, right? You see the MACDs here? They're positive. They're not making new lows. They're positive. On the 60, they're not making new lows. That's a buy divergence. And so when you got this deep oversold condition right here, okay, you had two beautiful buy divergences. Number one, you had the deep oversold condition on the 15 here. But if you look at the underlying ETFs, this is even better. Watch this, right? The underlying ETFs, we're still in buy mode. So here you're making the new low. Here you're making the new low on the spiders on the 60 and the 30. These MACDs couldn't confirm either. It's unbelievable when both the continuous contract and the underlying ETFs, okay, Johnny Hamilton, are having positive MACDs. This ricocheted kaboom about 60 points on, about 55 points on the S&P. 50 points on the S&P. NASDAQ ran about 170, right? So now the trades of the day, truthfully, were off the 15. Here's the long. The algorithm reversed to sell, which means that 85% that the highs are in for the day. Again, when the algorithm reverses to sell on the deep oversold condition, you can take the long against the 15 and 30. Then you got this beautiful short right here off the 15. We were shorting them here and here. Now, I did not expect a drop of about 25 handles. I expected a drop of 8 to 12. Then we caught another long off the 15s right here. Again, remember the 30 and the 60s are still bullish. Okay. And then we had a nice rally. And then at the end of the day, I said the 15s are going to reverse to sell. You're getting the push up into the negative MACD, and they got kabooshed at the end of the day here. Okay. So you had, let's count this here. You had 1 great long, 2 short, 3 long, 4. You had 4 great patterns off the 15-minute time frame. That is an absolute Picasso of a day. Absolute Picasso. Okay? All right. When you went long, when did you know you were out of that trade? Nacho, they went from 60. Well, I trade the S&Ps, right? So they went from 60. Nacho, watch this. I was kicking them out. Now, I did not think, in all honesty, Nacho, right? They got down to 11 3/4. I was long 14 and 12s, right? Okay, willing to buy more, right? Nacho, in one bar, look at this, on a 5-minute, they shot up to 46. They rallied 30, almost 34 points, Nacho. Do you see that? Okay. Do you see that? This is what I'm freaking telling you. This is what I teach during the day. This is why when I come on from 10:30 to 11:30, everybody's talking about freaking giveaways and crap. It's nonsense. What's up, Convictions Trade? So if MyFundedFutures were to give out 1,000, I'm just making this up, 1,000 50K or scaling accounts, is that what you guys really want? Or do you want to learn to pass an evaluation? Do you want to learn? I got a gentleman I never met in my life I talked to him a couple times. He's up from Miami, and he's made about $15,000 this week. And he's getting 2 payouts. Okay. Learning my methodology. Okay. My knee's feeling so much better. I took 800 milligrams of ibuprofen. I feel like I'm 12. All right. All right. Look to cover the short now below 54 on the gold. Now, I got hurt on a trade today. It wasn't the end of the day. I'm not going to hide it. Okay. I'm not going to hide it. When gold shot up like this here, you want to see? Okay. All right. You want to see here the gold? Now, I shorted gold. I was short like 40 or 50 micros, right? I got cabooshed. Okay. No harm, no foul. Where the hell is it? Right here. Right here. I got cabooshed. Okay. I saw the price from the 10-bar moving average. The price from the 10-bar, the moving average comes in at 43.77. And on my funded futures, I told you that the algorithm was 43.97. So we were 20 points difference. When you're 20 points difference, meaning that the algorithm would reverse first before the price touched the moving average, guess what? They got absolutely cabooshed. Gold dropped all the way. We took the long here. We got out here before the blank hit the fan. And then everything reversed here. Okay. Everything reversed, right? Okay. Got me too. But I went right back in, right? Okay. And then you got this we caught this long here for a little bit here. We got the 38s, the 55s and 57s here, 64. I went to look to go short them a little higher, 67, 68, never got there. I waited patiently for the 5 minutes to get overbought. Why? Why, big man? Why did I want to short the market there? Okay, Lucas Trades, silver, right? All right. Why did I want to short the market there? Because the GLDs, the underlying ETFs, had reversed to sell, okay, had reversed to sell on the 30-minute time frame. So when the GLDs reversed to sell at 12:30, then I said, screw it. That's a sell disconnect. I'm shorting this bounce into the 10-bar moving average. Where the hell time is it? Right here. Look at that. That's a monster short. Okay. Okay. That's a monster short. Okay. Listen, what do you think? I don't get stopped out? You don't think blank happens? Come on. All right. I'm no different than you, but I know how to manage risk. Okay. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I don't revenge trade. I took a deep breath, shorted. Boom, it dropped. Now, I mean, I'm selling 06s, 07s, 08s, 09s, covering 06s, 05s, 04. And when I started seeing, once I knew it broke 4,400, I knew it was going to go right down that 43.90. Okay. Hey, Zill, what's going on, brother? All right. Okay. All right. Okay. And the thing is that yes, MyFundedFutures tonight gives away 5 evals, right? But it just irks me that not here. Here we're pretty cool, I have to say. But it irks me to do all this work and then to show people a methodology that's going to enhance or, I hope, better your life. So why would you give a crap about? How about just focus on passing? I have so many people who have 5, 10, 15, 20, 40, 60 accounts, and they link them, right? These guys know what they're doing. They pick their trades wisely. They make their 300, 500, 800 to 1,000 a day. Okay. Just before you came in, I made $311 just on shorting that gold on that bounce. Covered it. Boom. Okay. Now, if I had 5 accounts, I'm up $1,500. Do the math, right? Like one person said, you make $250 a day on 20 accounts. That's 5,000, right? A day. That's $1.2 million a year. It's bull crap, Jay Shine. Okay. Who cares about the freaking silver's ripping right now?
No, I took a long one.
He just said so. He just said silver's ripping. Oh, it is ripping. It's a short up here. Let me see what the 60 looks like. 30. Negative. This silver is a short. Let's see. This thing's a beast.
I took it from the bottom.
You got the long. If this thing gets up to the 50, if this silver gets up to the 50 to 50, 62 range, I'd short it. Just got up to 50 and a half. Oh, it's going to get kaboosh. Oh, my God. I can't even speak that fast. Is that gold? That's silver. Okay, my friend, my friend Chris Caddy, all the people who are metaphor. The Grateful Dead became the biggest band in the world by giving their music away, encouraging people to tape, record live performances for free. Be proud of what you're giving away for free. Okay, he's so right. You really just want to. It's what's really important, okay? I think you need a rest. Why do you think I need a rest? My Lambo got repoed. I'm just trying to get it back, okay? I don't need a rest. I'm pretty good, okay? I'm doing good. Thank you. I love doing this, to be bluntly honest with you. MACD sells ADX flash overbought. Yeah, I think this is going to get another caboose down here. And one of the things that really enlightens me is that at the end of each day, how many people do well. Okay. All right. And no, I love doing this. Okay. And the thing that I love more than anything is to see the success. Jeff here, gold short. Let's see. Probably if it gets up to the 58.80 to 63, 64.80. The silver, if you're short above 50, just lower your stops. Okay. But it's really about trying to enhance your life, right? And I just want MyFundedFutures, is doing a great job. Look at this, right? The amount of work they put in, what they do here during the live day, plus what they do at night with Denny and I. Okay, the firm gives back. They want you guys to succeed. And, you know, for me, it's really about one thing. It's about me taking the time to educate you guys and for all of you, to really, really just to do something great with your lives that's going to benefit and help you with your family. Okay, that's how I look at everything, right? To enjoy your lives, to be with people, to better your life, to give your children something. Okay, no, it's not free. I have bills to pay. Okay, it's $4.50 a day. If you can't, it's just crazy. I was in Starbucks at the airport. A hot chocolate was $4.75. I was like, it's more than my live streams is cheaper than a hot chocolate. But just think about this, right? Just think about this. If you could better your life, I mean, and I say this, I don't know if I said it again last night. Where can you go? 50 on the, I would lower your stops here. I said 50 to 64 on a silver. Okay. But what's going on, Hitman? So silver, lower your stops. Okay. I made 3K because that's the case seems maybe. Thank you, Dave. And you know, and Dave struggled at times, and we've had many talks, and we had to get him back on track. Look at his silver. Lower your stops. Okay, I would lower your stops, right? And you know, people don't realize that you're in a field right now, okay, that you can do something to change your life. Like, let's say for me, for example, just think about this, right? I don't do this anymore. I go trade my own money. I go trade 60 accounts. I hire a kid, sit next to me, do this. I make $500 a day. 500, right? 500 times 40 accounts, right? $20,000. Where am I spending $20,000 in a day? Okay, so 500 times, what did I say? 500 times 40 accounts, 20,000 times 22 business days, 440,000 times 12, 5.2 million. Are you bananas? If you short that gold, lower your stop. Then you short that gold. That was beautiful. Okay. So when I'm
not Steven, I wish I would have.
This silver.
I got the silver.
Look at this silver.
Yeah, it's tanking.
Oh yeah.
What a cabooshin. Where's the bear?
Got the bear. I got the bear.
Good one. Okay. There you go. That might need a second bear. Okay.
It's still going, Steven. It's still going.
You're short?
No, I wish I'm about to get in short because it's still going.
No, but you know why I did the bear twice?
Why?
Because gold and silver had the almost identical setup.
Oh.
So you got a double bear. A double bear. Okay? A double bear. I mean, just on that trade alone, it's over. OVA. Right? How much you make?
Now?
Yeah. No, tomorrow. Now, of course now.
That trade I just did 400.
400. So imagine Jeff, 400.
One trade.
Lucas Trades made 1,500, Denny.
You say who?
Lucas Trades.
Let's go, Lucas.
Captain Price, it's Phil the Coolers. COOLAS. We talk slang here. And it's Christmas in December. Damn straight. I love this game. Okay? No, yes, I mean, if you link them and you pass one, you're passing all 40, Patrick, right? We have people, 40 accounts, some people? 40 accounts, 20 accounts. Look at this gold down 8. Fill the coolers. Oh my God almighty. 26 cents. There's the mascot.
Yep, she's here.
There she is. I'll see her Saturday night. There she is. Denny. There you go. I got someone I'm waiting for. Young Kobe. Hopefully he'll be here in May.
Girl, stop.
Got to pass that one or fail all 40. Oh my God. It's Gap. Look at this gold. Oh my God. What a short. Where's Pac-Man? Pac-Man. I need a t-shirt. What a short. Pac-Man. Pac-Man's the king
Yo,
of my
what are you doing? Stop.
Huh? What's she doing?
She keeps like leaning over like she's trying to break her back or something.
Pac-Man, I need a t-shirt. What a short. What a short is right. Day over. OVA. Here's another one, Pac-Man. It's over. OVA. Pac-Man. Pac-Man's my graphic artist person. Great. I can't wait to meet Christopher. Great guy, man. Look, oh my gosh almighty. The guy who bought silver at 65.50, he just jumped. Oh my God. Silver short at 50, Dominic. Dominic, you better be lowering your stops or covering down here, Dominic. Gold. Anybody short the gold at 55.80? Oh my God, Lucas Trade. This is right, Hitman. Tell me you got short, Hitman. Talk to me, Goose. Oh my God, David. This is still going, Denny on the block. Oh my God, what happened to Denny? Denny passed out for not shorting it. That's why.
No, I'm still here. I'm waiting to try and catch it. It just keeps reversing.
Well, that was a good one. Wow. Dan, you hope you took that short. Morning, Stephen. Can you tell me what days we have left to trade this year? Well, it's New Year's and Christmas are the only days that you don't trade, right? I mean, what do we got here? Tomorrow we have 7 days left. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more business days. That's it. It's over. OVA. You shorted silver and gold? Wow. Nobody shorted that gold? Okay. Nobody shorted that gold. That's a shame. That's a double red short. Even my guys in my Discord said short the gold. That's a huge bear flag. Look at this. I said look to short 55.80. Gold. Look at this gold. Are you crazy? Dropped 15, 14. Gold was the first bounce. See, Pac-Man knows the strategies. I love Pac-Man. So the 60-minute reverse to sell right here, right here. And look what Pac-Man, right, at 8 o'clock. This is the first bounce on the 5. Look at the ADX is rising. Where's Ryan? Right? James Robertson. Go get him, James Robertson. So this strategy that Pac-Man, okay, got a quick 500. Now, can I just say something to you? You guys would not be doing this if it wasn't for MyFundedFutures, right? Luke asked me, Luke and I talked in Miami 6 months ago. I said, let's do a night session. And he goes, what are you, crazy? Let's do it. I go, I'm done. Let's do it, right? Okay. So my point being, okay, is that Pac-Man, that's some short Pac-Man. Yes, ADX is light. So the 60-minute reverse to sell here, it correlated with the 15 and the 30. And look at the ADX rising. It's always off the 3-minute time frame when the ADX is rising like that. Watch this. Here we go. Oh my God Almighty! So when you see the high 43.57, right? Pac-Man, right? The ADXs are rising on the 3 negative MACD. So look where the high is, everybody. Trade Warrior. Okay. Okay. Everybody, please pay attention. Hitman, everybody. Patrick. Okay. Nacho. Okay. The guy who says I need a rest. If I need a rest, I wouldn't have called that short. Okay. Look at that. 43.57.3. The low is 43.57. And the low is 43.53. So basically it dropped $4. When Pac-Man, when it was trading 43.57, this oscillator was up here and then got kabooshed. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this gold. It's still going down. Okay. I said we wrap it up after this. That's it. Anybody who didn't make money on that gold or silver, it's over. What are the GOVs? No, George, Larry, David. It's the underlying ETF to SLV. Sam, Larry, Victor is the underlying ETF. Now you got to buy some gold here. Enough is enough here for a bounce. 36. All right. Just ran. So the underlying ETF is GLD and for gold, and the underlying ETF is the SLV for silver. Okay? All right. All right. Oh my God. Silver. 60 cents in silver. 1,200. Okay, so 1,200 here, 1,500 here. A bunch of people. Zill, tell me you got short, Zill. Cindy Schroeder, you get short out of gold now? Wow. You caught that gold for $17? That's great, Hitman. Now, I mean, seriously, though, this Pac-Man, where's my shirts? Okay? Pac-Man. Okay? I got to write that strategy. All right? Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the word just hypnotize me. Yeah, Oracle going up because TikTok sale approved. I would look to buy this gold if it gets down to the 28.5 to 30. I go maybe 29.5, 36.5 range. Silver, look at the silver. 60's turning down. Oh my God almighty, it's finished. Look at this bear flag, Pac-Man. Look at this. David, look at this, everybody. Dominic, James Robertson, Jay, where is everybody? Dom, where's young Ben? Where's Ben? Michael, there you go, Michael. Made 1,700. Okay, when you come to Michigan, we should have dinner. I ain't going to Michigan to freeze my tuchus off. It's 80 degrees here in Florida. Okay, if you want to invite me to a Michigan game in 2 years when they're home, I'll come. Okay, silver was beautiful. I mean, can you believe this pattern? This is a Picasso. Pac-Man, that's another T-shirt. It's a Picasso. What a short. Oh, my God.
Woo, Steven, let's go.
What'd you do?
I got into a silver short and it tagged me out twice, right?
What does that mean, tagged you out?
And I had a very small stop loss. I just made everything back plus $150.
What's everything back?
I was down $800.
Just now? Today?
Yeah, and then I just made everything back plus $150.
There you go. There you go. Look at Denny. Wow. Yeah, they got to buy this silver for like if this silver gets down to the 68.5 to like 783.5 range, I'd probably look to buy it. But actually, you know what? It's better for shorts though. But you could take a scalp on micros. That was sick. Gold drops 20, silver drops 60 cents. Oh my God. That's a great T-shirt, Pac-Man. Damn, my Pac-Man. Damn, Christopher. That's a hot shirt. Text me that. I'm going to send that to Denny. Oh my God, Christopher. That's smoking. See, we have fun, right? Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. You're long what?
Silver.
You're long silver. Gold just rallied. There goes this. Oh, wow. Silver just got kabooshed. Oh, 86. I missed it. Okay. And again, is the SIE or Series 7 worth it? It's still a profitable career. You know what's a profitable career? Trading. Okay? Trading. This is a Picasso. No, it should be, this is a Picasso. It should be, we have to phrase that one differently. When we're, this is a Picasso. Okay. Well, we may have to work on that one a little bit, but okay. Trade Warrior Hub, Fry Cook. You guys should be. Yes, it does. Silver SI. Denny, you saying that you don't do micros on silver, Denny?
No, I was not doing micros. I don't do micros on anything. I do minis on everything.
Oh, you do the big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Denny, look at his T-shirt just now. I'm going to send it to you. I don't know if you can post it. Look at Pac-Man. Pac-Man's my my artist over here. Got to have fun, right? Might as well have fun when you're doing this crap, right?
Dang, silver is still going. I tried to get back.
Yeah, I
in
canceled the range. I canceled that range. Yeah.
Oh, you cancel it?
Yeah. Did you see? Look what I just sent you. Look what I just sent you. What a short.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
That's my man, Pac-Man. I'm talking. You see that? What a short.
Oh, man.
I love it.
Look at that, Steven. Look at it. Still going.
I said.
Silver is getting.
Yeah, now you got to buy this thing if it gets down to like the 53.68 range. Did it get down there? The stops? Oops.
I still pushing back up.
Yeah, 50. I would go like 53 to 68. It just got down to 64. It ripped. That's why I missed it just now. But silver's got to be shorter because look at a 60-minute time frame here. Oh, Baba. You're studying SIE in 6. I did that. I put my pennants in. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't. Oh, silver just ripped 20 cents. Hang it up. What a Picasso. Oh, yeah. That's another good one, Christopher, but they're going to kill me. You know why, Christopher? Too many colors. If I have 5 colors on a T-shirt, it's like $40 for a T-shirt. Who's paying $40 for a T-shirt? That's just the cost. But we got to, right? Make it with bars. No candles, Christopher. Oh, my God. Jesus, my Christopher. Kabooshin.
Funky as crap right now.
They're saying that was a kabooshin of the century on silver and gold. Now, seriously, where can you go and have this much fun because of MyFundedFutures? Luke, Matt, dedicating Denny, Magnus, Ash to this show, right? Really, seriously. Where can you go? I guess the numbers last night were for Gazy. Good Lordy. And my Hendrix is right here next to you. You love your daddy. You love your father. You're so good. He loves hanging out with us, right?
Yeah.
He loves you. Don't do anything. Just be careful here. All right. Index futures doing absolutely nothing.
Chad over here asking me for giveaways. I'm over here trying to make some money.
They cooked the books. What's up, Zill? My main man from Finland. You must be freezing your tuchus off. Uh-oh, here we go. Your indicator patterns have helped me stop focusing on candles and get greater understanding of why my trades just foiling candles didn't work. Here's what I say to candles. Blow them out. Right? Oh, man. Now the S&P is just ripped 4. All right, that gold ever get down to 36? You get long the gold?
No.
I say cancel the silver, not cancel the gold. Nope, missed the gold anyway. All right. Man, I had a knee problem today. AJ, what's up, Baba? Rams Seahawks, great game. I like the Rams, though, but the Seahawks got a great defense. Damn. Okay. So then you're back in the black?
Yeah, well, no,
Oh,
I'm positive, but I'm trying to. I want to get in. I want to get into silver again, but I'm waiting.
All right,
I
we
want
gotta
to push
wait.
back up a little bit.
Oh man, this silver. Okay, so look what silver's doing, everybody. You're making a new low, but these MACDs are non-confirming. So I want to see a kaboosh and then a boom, kaboom. Okay, you got a divergence here. Let me see. Okay, 60 is not looking good. So technically, you're in a negative trend right now on silver. Damn, gold just rallied 7. S&P's pushing up. AJ, how are you? Jeff Smith, why no candles? Nope. Nobody. Hey, Jay Birds. Nobody I know. The fair value gap is silver. Is that the best you can do? Japan rate announcement tonight. Yep. I got into a fight today with one bloke because I was looking at bars and only onion. Thank you. Defend me to the death. Exactly. My son's taking the. Oh my God! Look at the gold rally. Silver just rallied 26 cents. All right, that's about it. I think silver's. Dominic, tell me you stayed short the silver, Dominic, please. Time to go long? No, time to go short soon on silver and gold.
Yeah,
Silver and gold. Silver and gold.
Silver's coming. back
Hey,
down now.
Smileaways. Hot digging the door. I'm really hoping silver gets kaboosh so you can look to buy him. Stafford is tough to stop when. Yeah, I agree. Hey, Bob Barker. Hey, Solid Viper. How are you? Solid Vader. How are you? All right. Gold just rallied about 8. Silver rallied about 20 cents. I know, Dom. I really got to tell you, right? You short the silver yesterday. It drops down. You're in the profit. You don't lower your stops. You don't cover half. And then it rips. I mean, like, come on, man. You know, right? Come on, man. Right? You're offering 50 on gold. I don't know if it gets there, but we'll see. I'm going to go see Denny this week. I'm going to be driving out to have dinner with Denny. Denny, you got the address and everything, right?
Yeah.
So I took an ibuprofen, 800 milligrams before I got here. And I have to tell you, I have no pains in my body. Ah.
Come on, silver drop for me.
What's a DCA disease?
Come on, silver.
Well, you look at this silver rally. Damn.
Yeah, I need it to drop.
Me too. All right. Stanman's offering 0 on silver. I mean, Dom, how many times do I teach you that during the day? Come on. Right? That ECB announcement was brutal. Danny Dan, if you're new, Danny Dan, if you're in Orlando, you should come visit me. I tried to buy the silver. I said, look to buy 53 to 58, but it was already 72 when I called it.
Oof, I don't like that push up. Come back down.
Huh? You short?
Yeah,
You short silver?
I did.
Where?
Done. I am done. I'm done. Woo! No more for me tonight.
I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Anybody from Florida, come just give me a call.
I feel a payout coming next week.
Conviction Trades, you got it. That's a great job, Conviction Trades.
Hey, can we all just give a big shout out to our man Steven for giving us great calls? God, why didn't I stay in that silver short?
Damn, brother, you gave away.
Oh,
wait, I don't get what is.
$500.
Wait, look at Leo Energy. Wait, I don't get it. What is the strategy? Oh boy. My strategies are based upon using 3 time frames. I use what's called a combination methodology. And for me, the most important thing is, as I was one of the, I was told I was one of the best day traders in the country, if not the world. Okay. I built this technology. It took me 10 years of my life I forward tested. Okay. I got 150,000. Connor, what did I say? 15,000 hours or 15,000 hours probably of my life devoted to this. And everything I do is based upon, oh my God, Denny on the short. Was that off the 3 minute? It's a nice bear flag though. Look at this ADX rising on the 3 minute. Look at the big selling pressure, negative 33. What are you, crazy? This thing's going to get cabooshed. Look at this look at this rising ADX, negative MACD. Should have. Oh my God, Steven. What was that? 91 or 94? Oh, here goes silver. Going to make new lows. Look out,
Steven. Why didn't I stay in that trade?
Are you short?
No, I was short.
No,
I was short at
short?
9 or not 920.
You made 1,200 on that silver
905.
short. Yeah. Jeff made 1,200 on that silver short.
Hey, funded account, eh? On the funded account.
Wow.
Oh my goodness! Thank you, Steve.
I see this. I see the rising. I was thinking right here. I was thinking more like 96, 97, but
yeah.
The strategy is based upon divergences. Everything I do are based upon divergences. I use indicators 1, 3, and 4 85% of the time. Indicators 1, 2, 3, 4 15% of the time. My indicator 4 is my number 1. Indicator 1 is my number 2. Indicator 3 is my number 3. And indicator 2 is my number 4. That's how I read the market. And you're not going to learn this unless you either come and get a 5-day free trial where you have everything, videos, live stream, everything. You get my member Discord, or that's that. Or you come here and try to learn. But I don't really teach much except for the first 5 to 10 minutes before the market opens. That was a funded account?
Yeah.
Wow. So again, these are negative MACDs. You have to use this what I use what's called a combination methodology, period. Okay? The 1 hour time frame reversed to sell on gold. I want to see if this gold can get another push up on the 5. So if this gold pushes up to the 48.5, 48.80 up to 54.80, I would short it. Like Pac-Man said, right? The gold reversed to sell on the 60-minute time frame. The strategy is you short the first bounce on the 5 minute. That's where that bear flag was when we shorted 55.5, 55.80. Biggie, can't you see? Right? All right. That was a monster bear flag. Here's a bear flag here, and then here's the bear flag on the gold. What a bear flag. So this, whenever you have a rising ADX like this on the 5 minute time frame, you always have to look at the 3 minute time frame. What do I trade when the market opens? S&Ps, gold, Broadcom, Apple, NVIDIA, Spiders, Microsoft, Coinbase, Meta, Palantir, AMD. What else? That's about it. Netflix every so often. Google every so often, right? Hey, Wink. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Wow. Wow. She short those S&Ps. Where's this silver? Where's the high here in gold? All right. If this gold gets up to 48, just drop. Anybody short this gold? 48 to 53, 54. The silver's, what's the silver doing? Can't get going. 73 up 20. All right. I'm looking for another leg down on gold. Yes. If you look at gold, you can see here on the gold futures, in the 15, the 60 just reversed to sell. You got the ADXs are rising. Right. Let's look at silver here. Look at this ADX rising here. Oh, I want to short this silver. Go. Hey, Bon Jovi. Bank of Japan. CB. AJ, I told you to come visit me, AJ. Okay. CBay, if you want to come visit me, just text me 914-500-7484. Okay. Hey, Bon Jovi, how are you? We all have losing days, but you have to manage your risk, right? I told you I got stopped out on that gold today when it shot up. I was shorting it. I got stopped out. I reshorted it. You make it back, right? End up pretty much flat at the day, right? So, but I had good trades on the indexes today. That's what mattered, right? Oh, this silver. Come on, baby. Give me a push up to 10 to 15. If this silver gets up to possibly the 06 to 20 level, where's it moving out? Or you can go maybe 08 to 23. I would short it. Not here, higher. I want to see indicator 3 get a little bit more overbought. 5. Indicator 3 here. What's my range in gold? I said 48.5 to 54.5. Or you can go 48 to 54. Here we go, 65. My God, 36 off the low. What happened, Henny Pope? Are you tired? Why does he do that when he does that? He tries to dig, make believe digging. He goes like this.
I mean, yeah, that's a good question.
S&P's pushing up, NASDAQ pushing up. Is there a Bank of Japan, some news coming out here soon? Anybody short silver here at 03? I forgot the range I just gave. Jesus Christ. Where the hell is this NASDAQ going? I was short this NASDAQ. Where's this? Jesus, this NASDAQ. This NASDAQ gets up to the 65 to 85.90. I would short it. I don't know about such a great bull flag here. Oh, 08 to 23? Right. Then I did say 05 to, I said 05 to 18 was another one. How much closer do you want this mic to my mouth? If you short the NASDAQ at 65, just cover 53 to 57. If you short this silver, look to cover anywhere between the even and 05. Oh, here goes pop. Just got down to 06. Damn, this silver's on crack. Yeah, it comes out around 9:30. Hendricks is sleeping. You can cover the gold anywhere between the 47 and 48 and 40, 49, 47, 46 and a half and the 49 and a half range. Silver, you could look to cover between even and 06 if you're short. Bitcoin got absolutely cabooshed today. Bitcoin. That's why I was looking for that buy on gold. That's why I was looking for the buy on gold at the 36, 37. I said 30, I say 30, 30 and a half to 36 and a half. Well, this Bank of Japan decision, you really shouldn't have any trades in the next, after like 10 minutes or so here. Soft voice. What are you, crazy? Silver, lower your stops if you're short. Yeah, I said I would look to short gold here. I said 54 and a half to 54 and a half, 48 and a half to 54 and a half, 55. Boy, oh boy, I'm pooped. I want to see gold and silver turn down here on the 5-minute time frames. NASDAQ making new highs. Short some S&Ps here. Look at the silver drop. Lower your stops. Oh my God. Look at silver. Right to my number. Are you crazy? OMG. Lower your stops. Wow. I just shorted some S&Ps here. See if they're gone. You short the silver or done?
Yeah, I'm still in short.
Or lower your stops.
Yeah.
That was the fastest caboose. All right. And gold just got down a little bit. Oh boy. Come on. NASDAQ, S&Ps were good. They just dropped about 3. No, they don't. I was short. Look at the NASDAQ drop. If you short that NASDAQ, look to cover below 65. Yeah, it can be if you want heat. Wow, look at the S&Ps. Cabooshed. I'm eating a piece of gum. Well, you could hear that? Silver just dropped almost 12 cents. You still short?
Yeah, I'm almost up. Only one.
The silver dropped into the. I want to see this 5-minute time frame drop. Coach Fred, how you doing? I got to be careful with this. This gold just rallied almost 20 points off the low here. You short gold at 92? Wow. Bitcoin got absolutely cabooshed today. Still getting cabooshed. I think Bitcoin's headed to 75 and then 70,000. And if it really gets cabooshed, an MSTR pushes down, I think it could push it down to 55,000. Who just passed? That's hysterical. Oh my God, I can't post that. But what the heck? NASDAQ again dropping. S&P's dropping. This gold's got to drop. It did drop down below 59.5, but S&P's just dropped 4. Oh my God, look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ kaboosh. Anybody short either one of them? Oh my God. What a short. Anybody get the NASDAQ or S&P short? You short the NASDAQ at 66, I would cover. I would cover it. Trading cowboy, damn straight. Gold, I'd look to cover this gold between the 48.5 and 51.5 range. If you're still short heat, I'd be covering shorts here. I mean, this number's coming out here soon.
What number you?
There's a 930 Bank of Japan number.
I have 10:30 p.m.
10:30 or 9:30? That's saying.
Yeah, I say it's 10:30. Bank of Japan rate decision. I have 22:30.
Sam Murder.
10:30.
Okay, good job, Sam. Sam's going to come visit me in March with his wife. God willing. So, I don't know. Is it coming out today?
Yes, at 10:30. I'm going to put in a chat.
Lower your stops, heat, if you're short the gold. Come on. I told you when these 5-minute time frames roll over. Where's Pac-Man? Snoop, how did I know the NASDAQ was going to drop? I know all things. What do you mean when you say short NASDAQ? NASDAQ is meaning he said that he was short, right? Higher. And I said I would look to cover the short, meaning if you're short, you want to buy it back. And I said I would look to cover the short at 266. or lower. You understand what I'm saying? Because if you look at the NASDAQ, you can see the 5-minute time frame was in buy mode here. So I said it's not because of the positive MACD, it's not going to make a new low. So if you were short the NASDAQ higher at 77 or 76 and it traded down to 50, I said I would cover the short below 66. And you can see it went from 50 right back up to 63, 65. Okay. Is this number coming out at 9:30 or 10:30?
10:30. I put it up on the Discord.
He's dreaming.
Yeah, 10:30.
10:30
on the Discord.
Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. The fourth indicator doesn't track anything. The fourth indicator is based upon my methodology. It's an algorithm I built. Can't even talk anymore. I'm so tired. I built that gives me the ability to see the condition on that various different time frame. And when I know the condition on the 3 time frames, bam, I know how to trade it. Silver and gold. Did you cover any shorts when it dropped? You love your daddy. Right? I think he's so close to me, right? Because he's like, we do everything together.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Even if it's boring. Right?
I just want to be with you.
Hmm?
You just want to be with his owner. Like, he doesn't care if it's boring or not. He just wants to be.
Look how nice his coat came out. If I tell you, if you saw him, when I first got him,
yeah,
all bones, had to be 10 pounds lighter, 8 pounds lighter. And his hair, his coat was all scraggly. And I said to the lady, is he going to live? She said, yeah, he'll give him time. He'll be okay.
Yeah. Because he really looked like a healthy guy.
Monster. He knows it. They're going to raise interest rates? What are they, crazy?
Yeah, that's the trade where the carry trade.
Mm-hmm.
That was for this one. So are they gonna?
They got to raise rates?
Yeah, that's all the whole problem of liquidity. They're likely to raise the rate.
Well, I mean, if Gabriel, I mean, I said to cover the gold before below 49.5, but if you're still short, you could, I said, look to cover 48.5 to 51.5 range. What's a good amount to make per day? It depends. Nah, Sam, I never raise rates. You see why I said to cover the short on the NASDAQ? Because you had to buy divergence here. You see that on the NASDAQ? Wow, the NASDAQ just ripped 20. Damn it. Who was short the NASDAQ? That's why I said look to cover the shorts. It's not good. Dominic up 600. The hell's wrong with that? See what I'm saying? Okay, so again, up 600, up 1,500, up 1,200, up 500, whatever. My friend's up 975. You know, this is what My Funded Futures has done. We created a really great environment for this session. I thank, again, Luke, Denny, Matt, Magnus, Ash, all the people. Come on. It's just unbelievable. Can't wait. This is terrible. Of 1580, right? I walked in, boom, short the gold, boom, short the silver, boom. Let's go, Dominucci. On Come on, Ray. What's up, Zacharuch? All right. Wow, S&P's right back up. About to call it a night. Silver, gold. I don't really do the indexes. I'm up small, like 330 here, nothing. I'm not even doing. Well, HE, if anybody new wants a 5-day free trial, you can please text me at 914-500-7484. I think gold's going to get one more push up. That's why I keep saying I look to cover shorts between the 48.5 and the 51.5 range. I'd like to see one more big push down on the gold, though. But these 15-minute time frames are going to give the gold fits here. You see this? You want to see the 15s do this and then get kaboot. I like the yellow, right? I think the yellow is better than green. No, don't do anything. I wouldn't do anything on the gold now. I'm all right. I'm just you want kaboom gold? I don't know about that. My God, everything just died here. Martin, how are you, Martin? Martin, the only thing that I think on the gold, got to just be one little careful on is if this 5-minute time frame does this and then does this, and then gets one more push here, and then it will drop off these 15s. I would love to see it drop another $2, $3, but I don't use candles, number one. And how could you use GLDs? I'm just showing an example. Hey, Izzy, Lizzie, how are you? Come on, here comes the gold. I'd be covering shorts between the 48.5 and the 51.5 range. Here we go, 50. Oh, thank God. Heat, I'd be covering shorts, heat, or lowering your stop, heat. Do I think so? I have no idea. Oh, my God. Come on. Come to Papa. Well, be careful with this 5-minute time frame here. It may do that. I'd be covering shorts. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. Who's that? Got kabooshed earlier today. Kaboom tonight was down close to 43 max zone. There you go, Zachary. Oh, I just woke Hendricks up. Go get him, my brother. Never give up. Like Jim Valvano said, you never give up. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. I'm more of a Leonard Skinner Allman Brothers guy, just to let you know. That's the era I came from. This gold is going to get another push up. This gold is going to get one more push. Man, that gum is good. There goes the gold. I hope you covered all your shorts down there, everybody, on the gold. Right? S&Ps and NASDAQ kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped another, I would say about another 20 there. All right, Bobo. Oh, man. S&Ps, I sold 32.5, 30, what's the high? 33.5? Let me see something here. 33s. I'm selling, yep, I sold them. All right. Get ready for the London push up. I don't know. We'll see. All I know is I took 800 milligrams of ibuprofen. Go Knicks. Oh, my God. 800 milligrams. I am exhausted. I'm smacking gum. Yeah. That gum is good. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Oh, the lights went out in Georgia. It's actually nicer that. Can you guys still see me, or I look like? Oh my god, I love it when it's this dark. You know I love it when it's this dark.
Yeah, I like it.
I can see everything. Hi, Boo Boo. There goes the gold. This gold's gonna pop here. Just ran $1.50. Can you guys still see me? It's beautiful in here. Oh, I never want to leave. I've had a TV, lazy boy, shower, bathroom, bed. I never leave. Very, very quiet. I love the silver in the Asia session. I love the silver. Where's silver now? I mean, we come in here and silver gets absolutely slaughtered. It got up to 14. What am I, crazy not seeing that? And it just, oh my God. I'm never taking silver down again. This was a short. It got up to 14, then drops 28 cents. I want to kill myself. Trade in the dark. I'm good, Wink. Anybody get that short in silver, though? No candles. I go like this to candles. Blow them out. That's it. You like the dark mode better? Me too, man.
Me too.
Right? Hendrix likes it. He's falling asleep. Right, Daddy? You think it's nighttime?
No, it's like it's cool here.
Very quiet here. Take care, David. Hey, Jesse Wang. Short gold now. I'm looking, I think, no. Gold's going to get one more push up. You're short silver currently. I'd be really careful. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize. I gotta start singing some Blue Sky, some Dickie Betts. I am exhausted. Anybody have any questions here tonight? Where'd Denny go? Denny's gone. Thoughts on gold right now, Johnny boy?
I'm not gone. I'm rocking the mascot to sleep.
Oh, where's the mascot?
Right here in my arms. You see her?
No, hold on. I don't know where you went on my thing here. Yes, she. Oh, the mascot.
Mm-hmm. She's tired.
Jeez, I remember those days. Damn.
I'm ready to be able to say that. Oh, I remember those days.
My son's 26. My daughter's 24.
And how old are you?
I will be 63 in February.
Y'all waited late to have kids.
I'm not having anybody. Nobody's pregnant in my life.
No, I said you waited so late to have kids, though, because, like, you were, what, 30?
I was 38.
Yeah. 38?
Yeah.
I had my first kid when I was 22, and then my second kid when I was 25, and then this one. No, I'm sorry. Leah was born in 2020, and I was 24. Yeah, so I had my first kid when I was 24, my second kid when I was 27, and then this kid when I was 29. Well, right now, so 29.
There goes the gold right back up 2. Yep, 63 years old. I feel great, except I gained about 7-8 pounds, and I'm losing that no time. I can't wait for that to happen. I took some ibuprofen tonight, 800 milligram. I couldn't take it. I wanted to cut my knee off, and I know what it's from. Bitcoin just pushed up 200. Yep. You'll be 22 in February. 41 years. I'm 41 years older than you.
No, I never went to Afghanistan. I did go to Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Kuwait, Qatar, UAE, and Qatar, Kuwait, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Bahrain. I also went to Bahrain.
Sullivan, MyFundedFutures dressed as SK? No. No way. The boot camp's about a week. Look at the gold right back up. As much as I wanted to take that gold, I just don't know when this. No, I'm getting mixed. Look at the gold just rallied like $3.
I only risk $500 per trade, Nate. And I try and not take a lot of trades. The only time I'll trade a lot, like scalping, is whenever we're on the stream with Steven. That's it. Mm-hmm. Other than that, during the day, I have a long setup that I'll take. It'll either take anywhere from 30 minutes to maybe an hour for it to hit TP. Thank you, Pine Tree.
Spencer's. I'm 24 with the 4th on the way. Oh my
Lord.
Spencer,
good luck, buddy.
Spencer, you crazy? Look at the gold heat go up. That's why I said
anybody.
You see the gold heat? That's why I said look to cover. I said it's going to go up, but I didn't know if this Japan's coming out at 9:30. Everybody's crazy here.
A gallon of gas. It depended on what country you were in. I know when we were in Bahrain, I think a gallon of gas was like maybe $1.20 American money.
If this silver gets up to 13 to like maybe 27, 20, I'd short it. Also, AH.
Zeph side, I do a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Just depends on how much or how good the setup looks. One micro contract is worth $1 per point on the NASDAQ. Or I'm sorry, per tick on the NASDAQ. So it's $4 per point.
All right, that's the trick.
What's Platinum doing?
So Spencer needs like 5 payouts.
If this Platinum pushes up here, Jess, right here, look.
Steven, do you see what Trade Warrior Hub said?
What do you? Oh.
He said Spencer married at 18, broke by 22.
Oh my God. What? Long the silver?
Yeah, it's her first Christmas. She's 4 months old now.
What is your in February?
And like that, she's
February 10th.
Steven.
Yes, sir.
She's already asleep.
Oh my God.
10 minutes.
I'm right behind her.
No, my wife, she always hands the baby to me when she wants her to go to sleep because she falls asleep quick with me. Literally 10 minutes and she's out every time. Yeah,
See that gold rallied 4 just now. The silver. Let's see if the silver can get one more push down here. cover the silver anywhere between the 13 and 20 range.
Jess, I wish. My wife only makes Mexican food for Christmas.
Man, look at this silver drop. I would lower your stops on the silver. Oh my God, what a short.
And
oh
looking
my
forward
God.
to their deviled eggs, though. Oh my God, their deviled eggs are good. Short on what? Silver?
Yeah. Oh my God. You see the drop just now? That's 13, 12 cents.
Yeah, I just said.
Just wait till this 15-minute gold reverses, but I don't know. Wink, have a great weekend.
Tamales for Christmas. Probably will be.
I said I never back tested my system. I don't believe in back testing. I believe in forward testing.
My favorite Mexican dish is either between pozole or I really like when my wife makes enchiladas.
Where's your wife from?
Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
But she's lived in North Carolina since she was 2 years old.
This Nasdaq's a short. These 15s are going to roll over. That next push up.
Like, if you can find the right place, Dragon Trades, birria tacos is the freaking bomb. Steven, you ever had birria tacos?
Never heard of it.
Oh, you are missing out.
Video.
Oh, no, Pine. You got to leave. Get out. Taco Bell don't count.
Video.
I have no idea the hell you're talking about.
It's,
Listen, I'm just a simple guy, man. You know,
Who's there with you, Steven?
I got Jeff here from down by Miami.
Jeff, you need to take him to a place that's got birria tacos.
oh yeah. He's gonna like it.
I am?
Mhm.
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
you will.
It's best package. They're having the yeah. It's pretty
Look at this silver drop. We were 13 to 27. Lower your stops.
I really love Al
Oh my
Pastor
God, look at this
tacos
gold
with
get
piña.
kabooshed.
It's the bomb.
No, it's good. Really good.
Oh my God, look at this gold get absolutely kabooshed. $6.
I got a small short on the silver. Really small.
Jonathan, did you get the short? Oh my God, this silver just dropped 15 cents.
I got the
Silver gold just dropped 5. Oh my God. Nasdaq just got kabooshed 20. S&Ps just dropped 4. Gold dropped 5. Silver just dropped 17. No, why do I track the stats for my live calls? I have a P&L. Anybody? James Robertson, you short this? James Robertson, Dominic. Look at this gold. What a short. Oh my God. Betting on the block. Do you see this short in silver?
I do. I closed my charts though. Everything I do now is on paper. I made my money for tonight. I ended up being $1,000 up on 2 accounts tonight.
I know, but Denny, here's what you do, right? So you just go, oh my God, silver's down 30 cents. OMG. Why don't you just, once you hit it, do another account?
I only have 2 accounts.
Get another one.
Look at that drop though. Holy crap.
Holy mackerel. Silver, and gold. That 15-minute time frame, what was the gold trading? Like 53, 52? I said you get one more push up here.
Steven, it's also hard because I got the baby asleep right now.
I know, I hear you, brother. Look, 53 to for that's a. I said you're going to get one more push up here, but this is the killer right here. So this strategy right here is the first bounce on the 5 minute on the 15 after the 60 reverse to sell. Here you go. Right, Pac-Man? Pac-Man knows that strategy. That's why Heat, you understand, Heat? This is based upon a strategy. The 60 reverses to sell. It correlates with the 30 and the 15. You short the first bounce, and then it kabooshed. Right there. You see that? MACD negative here. A little bit of selling pressure. The higher overbought. Well, trust me, when gold was trading 52, 53 here, I'm sorry, 55. Wow, what a kabooshin'. You ain't kidding, man. I went short it here, Jonathan.
No, you already missed the short.
You missed the short.
You got to wait for it to go up.
This, Jonathan, there's a strategy. You can't short the gold here when it just dropped from 53 down $8, Jonathan. Come on, man.
I think I know whenever a short is coming is because price will go up and then it'll come down just a little bit. It'll go up and try and test it again. Like it's staggering and then it just drops. That's when you know it's about to just turn around and drop for you. And it's the same thing when it drops and you're trying to catch along. It'll drop a lot. It'll go up a little bit. It'll drop again. It'll start staggering and then it'll start pushing up. Diane, they reached out to me. And I was just a moderator at first, and then they needed someone to run the stream, and then here I am. Because I work for MyFundedFutures, I can't trade with MyFundedFutures. They make it that way. It's not like, I guess so it's not showing favoritism. But it's all right.
My knee feels better. Text me how much we got to get back tomorrow. Okay, man? Let's go.
The symbol for mini versus micro, you just put an M in front of it. Or if you're doing silver, silver is SIL for minis instead of SI. Yeah, it's a conflict of interest, Jay Shine.
Oh, man, this goal's going to get complete.
No, so the host do not work for MyFundedFutures. Like Steven, he's a host, but he doesn't work for MyFundedFutures. So if he wants, he can trade MyFundedFutures. I am Theotran. You can DM me that, and I will give you my answer.
Oh, my God, this gold just got kabooshed. Who shorted the platinum up here? Platinum just reversed to sell right here on the 60. Oh, man.
Yeah, what Pine Tree said. They're independent contractors.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at this platinum bear flag. 1852. That was a good year.
I cannot say what accounts I use. I can say that I have a personal account that I use, though.
Nice.
Oh my God! You short the gold or silver?
Yeah, they're gold.
You got the gold short?
Yeah.
Good job.
You can go into MyFundedFutures and just look for Dingy. Like just add them, and if you at me and then you just click on my name, you can privately DM me. But I'll tell you right now, if I start getting a bunch of spams, I will turn off my DMs. Let's see, 2, 3. I have 4 accounts, 5 if you want to count my personal as well.
Yeah, I would like a silver. To be honest.
Oh my God! Look at this gold get absolutely caboose. Silver was trading 27. I said look to short 13 to 27. High was 28.5. Gold. Whoever bought gold at 55, he just jumped.
Steven, did you hear that the Chicago Bears are thinking about moving to Indiana?
Is that true?
Yep.
That is the worst stadium, though, to play in.
The Chicago one?
Mm-hmm. Soldier Field, brutal. You're right on the lake. You know how cold it is?
Oh, yeah.
You freeze your tuchus off.
Imagine going into Navy basic training during the winter time.
Where's that?
It's in Chicago.
Who does that?
The Navy? It's the Great White Lakes. That's where their basic training is. I don't use copy trading. I do not copy trade any of my accounts. I do every single one individually.
Oh, my God. Look at this gold. That was the first bounce on the 15.
It's crazy, little baby.
Wow. Wowsy, wowsy, wowsy. On their feet for 1,000. That was a short on the 15. That was a Picasso. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Boy, look at this oil, 55. Some people are paying $1.99 for oil, gasoline.
You should go in the Middle East. Their oil and gas is cheap.
What does Micron do today? I went to the short this Micron 63. Oh my God, Micron kabooshed. What idiot. Look at this.
Steven, you trade your personal accounts, don't you?
Yeah. And I do some prop firms.
BOG rate decision in 15 minutes.
See, it is 15 minutes though. Oh, 10 o'clock.
Steven, you want to do the giveaways?
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do much with this. Yeah, why don't we just do the giveaways here now? And again, if anybody new here, Jonathan, why didn't you call the short up? Why didn't you short the gold earlier when we had the shorts? If anybody wants to give me a text or a holler or a free 5-day free trial, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Let's do the giveaways, Denny.
Let's do it. PGT trades.
That was fast.
TGT trades. Are you here? Pine Tree, thank you for tuning in, by the way. Thank you all for tuning in, but I think it's been a while since I've seen Pine Tree in here. Why is that still up? I literally removed it.
What happened?
The giveaway link is still up, even though I removed it. TGT Trades, I see you. Congratulations. This drive tomorrow is going to be brutal. Mustafa Shaleen. Mustafa Shaleen, are you here? He literally was just here. Chat, should I move on? Should I move on? Going once. Going twice. I'm letting chat take a vote. Yes, 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 yes. Everybody's saying yes. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Steven Wilson. Steven Wilson, are you here? Mustafa Shaleen, I see you're here. I will give it to you this one time. Next time, gotta be faster though. If not, I will not give it to you. Steven Wilson. I see you, Steven.
Hey, there he is.
Yep.
Got about 11 minutes to go here.
I see you, Mustafa Shaleen. I'm giving it to you. Buzzer beater, right,
Oh,
Spencer?
man.
Shankar. Shankar, are you here, Shankar? By the way, if I catch anybody with duplicate entries, you will be deleted. You will not receive an account. If you did not put your MyFundedFutures email, you will not receive an account. This is your one-time warning to all the wingers. Shankar, I see that you're here.
Put the gold up.
Yeah, I think so too, Gabriel. Martin ACA.
How much you up tonight?
Martin ACA.
How much are you up? Jeff,
Yeah, sir.
how much you up?
I see you. I see you.
1,300. That's good.
Steven, should we do one extra giveaway?
I say because it's Christmas, we do one extra giveaway.
One extra giveaway, chat.
Come on, let's get some like buttons here. I can still do my podcast.
Running man, are you?
Hey, Running Man.
I see you, Running Man. Congrats to all the winners.
Absolutely.
Was there a bird flag on the?
What happened?
No, I said there was a bear flying on the bull.
On the gold bull flag?
Yeah.
That's no.
Bear, no.
The bear flag was the push up at 2100. All right. I want to say again, thank you to MyFundedFutures. I'm not going to do much here the rest of the time here. Thank you, Denny. I'll see everybody here Monday. Denny, we're not doing it. I just want to be clear. No Wednesday, next Wednesday. Trading Cowboy. What's up, Trading Cowboy? I was just thinking about you. Can you text me 914-500-7484? And
Right,
again,
Steven.
anybody new here, you can text me here.
We have no night stream on the 24th. I'm not tracking anything about the morning stream yet, but I know
we are doing a Christmas morning special.
Steven.
No? What?
Don't say that.
Oh, I just got a text. I don't know. Wednesday, Thursday off. Okay.
Oh, man.
Got 8 minutes to go here. really not. You can't really do anything here with the. Well, that silver got cabooshed. 27 down to 9. Oh my God. So we're off next Wednesday and Thursday.
Yes.
Yes,
At least
sir.
for the night stream. I don't know about during the morning on Wednesday, but I know at least for the night stream, because my wife does her family does Christmas on Christmas Eve, so I will not be here. If I'm not here, Steven's not here.
What? That's Christmas Eve. Yeah,
That's
no.
Christmas Eve, yes. And obviously on Christmas Day, the night stream is not happening.
Right. But who? Okay.
I don't know. I don't know. I got to talk to somebody about that.
Woo-wee.
How many days CME futures are closed? Well, they're closed on every single bank holiday, except for Veterans Day, apparently. No.
Oh, man. Wow, I'm exhausted. You got it, Cowboy. Cowboy, we spoke, right? I think we spoke, right? Trading Cowboy. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here. What a short on those S&P. I told you those 15-minute time frames were going to turn down here on the NASDAQ and S&Ps. Little Roo, have a good night, my brother. Little Roo. Oh, man. All right. Denny, what time are you starting to head out tomorrow?
I'm leaving at 7 in the morning, Steven.
Oh, my Lord.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do tonight.
7 in the morning.
Mm-hmm. We're going to get up around 6:30, get the kids ready, get in the car, and head out. Until you told me.
Well, nobody's going to do anything now, Denny. You want to just cut it a little early because I guess, you know, the Bank of Japan at 10:30. Guys got to be really careful with that news, okay? Again, I want to say silver, a short now. I wouldn't do anything. This was the short right here. I called on this range. This is the first short. Okay, this is the second one I didn't get, and this is the third one I got. I wouldn't do anything here with this Bank of Japan. Okay, Mikey Jacques, thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Again, thank you to MyFundedFutures, but most of all, thank you to all of you for coming here, supporting us here. MyFundedFutures, thank you for sponsoring this. Luke, Matt, Magnus, Denny, Ash, okay, everybody. This is a great 2 hours. Again, I'm on every single day from 10:30 to 11:30 on MyFundedFutures TV. Also, I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. You guys should watch that. And most of all, if you like to ever text me or have a 5-day free trial, just text me 914-500-7484. I want to wish you all a great night. Have a great day tomorrow. Remember, trade what you see. Make sure you discipline. Have a great weekend. And God bless you. And, of course, God bless the United States of America. Good night, Danny. Drive safe tomorrow, brother.
Yes, sir. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit